Hey, good morning everybody. As you can see, it is very early in the morning, and I thought, well, hey, it's my birthday, I'm going to go out and shoot a sunrise. So I actually chose locations, probably not the best sunrise location. It's an area to the northwest of Phoenix, and it's very inaccessible. There's not a lot of roads, but I've been driving this road for the last 2 weeks in the morning, have seen some really dramatic sunlight with the clouds. So I'm hoping to get that mosquito, hoping to get that dramatic sunlight. We'll see. So also there's a feature that way. I call it the shark fin. It's just kind of a cool little feature sitting out in the middle of the desert, but it's inaccessible unless you got a drone.
I can be with you wherever, stay at home or in a foreign land. I can stay like this forever, 'cause I got the world in my hand.
Okay, so when you look out in the desert and you see something that moved, might have some coyote or javelina company out here. Okay, so the color is starting to happen, and I'm hoping through that opening in the clouds is where we're going to get some dramatic lighting. Well, sunrise really was kind of a bummer. I did get a few panos, we'll see how those turned out. So yeah, I guess I'll just fly the drone and go home and get some breakfast.
Well, that shark fin thing really didn't look like a shark fin when you got away from the highway. So I decided to just film a little video and share it with my friends on Facebook. So here is the video from my birthday flight. Well, that's about it for my birthday flight. Besides the 5 minutes of actual good light we had this morning, it was a pretty dull day. But click that subscribe button anyhow, because I'm going to continue to take you on my adventures and pass on my photography tips to you. I would also appreciate a thumbs up and a comment or two if you could. And remember, never stop exploring.